Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Aberge, the Daily Trader. It is August 3rd, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla is continuing its way up. So we are up $20.43, 2.27%. Closed at 922.19. Post market, we are even up by 91 cents. Let's look at what we have here on the chart. We have the easiest job in the world. When the stock you are in is going up, there is not much you have to do, and just besides just watching it go up. So yesterday we had a bit of a pull down, lower low, lower high, and now this has reversed. So we made a higher low, we made a higher high. We are still trading very close to this resistance compared to the support right here, because this is the channel that we are in. So we have a lot of force in the stocks. So let me show you here. This is where we are at right now. So very steep wedge, which is pretty steep. We are going even steeper. Look at this, how steep this is going. This is almost vertical. This is quite impressive. We have to say that Tesla has been going down for a long while the company was still doing super great in terms of the fundamentals. We have some catching up to do. Tesla has some catching up to do towards its all-time high of $1,200 or so. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. Nothing too special here. So that's the little bit of a drop that we got yesterday. Today, things have moved even higher, and we just stopped temporarily at 929.43. As you see, the stock is stopping at our previous support and resistance, which I have here in gray. The stock is not moving randomly. It's always taking into account and bumping into the same support and resistance that it has in the past. We did not know yesterday if we were going to break our 21-day exponential moving average right here. It looked like we were coming down close to it, but no, this is still maintaining itself. This is a nice cadence for Tesla. Let's just enjoy this. Stochastic at 94, extremely strong. Let me remove some of these things a little bit. MACD super great, RSI going even more overbought, and a DMI extremely high. Let's look quickly at the VIX. This is what helped us today. The VIX took a big dive, almost down by 2. This is extremely nice to see this, because for the past 3 days it was going up, and now it has almost came back down to its level of the 29th of July. We are back on this support right here. So let's hope we are going to break it again. But we could be bouncing and going flat also. This is a possibility. Let's look at Dow Jones here. Dow Jones is rebounding also since yesterday. S&P 500, the same thing as Tesla. Nasdaq Composite is testing the downward channel resistance because the stock market is in a downtrend. The stock market is in a downtrend right now. It has been so since November of 2021. Going down, sometimes we have a little bit of a move up to that resistance right here. Moving down, a little bit of a move up, then another move down, and then now we are coming up again to this downward resistance. It's going to be very interesting to see if we can break this for good and get out of our downward channel, or if we are going to come back down. It is possible that we do that. So we need to take a look at this and just be cautious with our Tesla stocks and Palantir stock because of this. And looking at Nasdaq 100, we are very close, but not yet to the resistance level. So the next few days and maybe the rest of the week and maybe the beginning of next week are going to be interesting to see if we are going to need to sell some Tesla in order to be cash before maybe another downturn. We never know. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.